I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, mostly in the low 70s and elevated fire weather concerns in Nebraska, a cold front tracks to the southeast. Widespread thunderstorms are likely through tonight before a transition to light rain for tomorrow morning. A few thunderstorm wind gusts near 50 may occur with the main push of the cold front through this evening. Forecast rain amounts are trending slightly higher, with more widespread amounts of a third to a half an inch. Near the thunderstorms, locally higher amounts are possible. Tomorrow, a blustery day with north winds gusting into the 40s and highs in the 50s. On the backside of strengthening low pressure over the Great Lakes, strong northwest winds and drier air for Saturday and Sunday afternoon, increasing the fire weather concerns to critical levels. Daytime highs rebound to the 60s to the low 70s for the weekend on into Tuesday. A ridge of high pressure warming our highs up to around 80 by Wednesday. For the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are likely for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through May 10th, especially next weekend through May 10th. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall for Tuesday through May 10th indicated to be near normal to slightly above normal. Soil temperatures 4 inches down at 7 this morning, as low as the low 40s along and west of a line from Ainsworth to North Platte and Goodland. Soil temperatures are in the mid to upper 40s for central and eastern Nebraska, along with northern and western Kansas. For central and east Kansas to the south of I-70, soil temperatures are in the low 50s. Checking the regional drought monitor, around 55% of Nebraska is in moderate to severe drought, including the south central and southeast, along with much of the panhandle to Cherry County. Extreme to exceptional drought increased 16 percentage points to 45% of Nebraska. That includes the southwest to the Sand Hills, much of the north central and northeast, along with the southwest corner of the panhandle. Kansas dropping 2 percentage points to 11% drought-free, with drought-free conditions to abnormal dryness in much of the east. North central Kansas and the northwest corner are in moderate to severe drought. Coverage of extreme to exceptional drought in Kansas increasing 3 percentage points to 60%. That includes much of the west and south. Nearly half of Kansas at 46% is in the highest stage of drought at exceptional. Key weather factors in the markets include cold air taking hold in the Corn Belt, recent rains in the western areas of the southern plains, and Brazil turning a little drier. Only patchy precipitation falls the next 5 days across the plains and Midwest. For the western areas of the southern plains, the recent rains may not benefit the wheat very much due to irreversible poor conditions, but the increased soil moisture favors forages and corn and soybean planting and establishment. Producers across the northern and central plains and the Midwest are expecting additional frost and freezes the next several days. Towards the eastern Midwest, cooler temperatures will last well into next month, leading to conditions that are unfavorable for planting and supportive of additional frost. In Brazil, scattered rain the next week, likely to be just south of the main second crop corn areas. Core conditions are good for now in Brazil, with chances for additional rain the next couple of weeks and potential frost way off into June. The upcoming rain in Brazil will also condition the soils for wheat planting. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.